What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Adam in Style, and you should subscribe. Come on, do it. Join the fam. In today's video, I decided to hop on the trend, letting my Insta followers control what I eat in a day, and I know it's a little bit late, but I still thought it would be a fun video to film. So I posted on my IG story letting you guys know that you'll be controlling my meals throughout the day for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert, and you guys voted. Oh, and before you get to the video, I just wanted to let you know that I kind of filmed this a while back, so if you're wondering why my hair is shorter, now you know. Alright, I'm gonna let you get to the video. Alright guys, so I'm here in the kitchen and it's time to have breakfast. Let's look at our options. I asked you guys, what should I have? Pancakes with syrup or avocado toast on a bagel with eggs? And 59% of you voted for avocado toast on a bagel with eggs. And I kind of wanted that option, so I'm really excited. Let's go make it. Okay guys, so we just made the food. I'm so excited. I'm freaking hungry. Now, let's do a taste test. This is so good. Alright, I'm gonna go finish the rest of this and I'll see you at lunchtime. It's time for lunch. I'm really excited for this one. So, the two options I gave you were veggie loaded chicken salad or burgers. And burgers won by 57%. So, we're gonna be making burgers. I'm excited. I wear gloves because I don't want to touch the raw meat with my hands. And I feel like it's more sanitary that way.
Patty number 1, patty number 2 for now.
Now, while the burgers are cooking, we're gonna wash some lettuce and tomatoes. Alright guys, the burgers are ready. Look at that. Okay, now let's try it. This is so good. Now I'm gonna clean up this mess. It is dinner time. This is the best meal of the day. So let's look at our options. Honey chicken pasta or beef spaghetti. And you guys chose honey chicken pasta. Actually, I'm really surprised. I thought you guys would choose beef spaghetti, but I guess you wanted the other dish, so I'm really excited. Lately, I've been getting into the kitchen, and one of the first meals that I actually cooked and liked was honey chicken, and now it's become my signature dish. Not saying that I own it, but I literally make it very often. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's everything that you're gonna be needing. So usually I prefer to have spaghetti, but you could use any kind of pasta you'd like. Then over here we have some olive oil because it helps with the cooking. We have our chicken breast. This is approximately 1.5 pounds, so it's perfect. We have some mushrooms because it kind of adds to the flavor of the food. I love mushrooms, but you don't have to add mushrooms if you don't want to. Then we have some black pepper. This is optional too. I just think black pepper gives it a lot more flavor. You have soy sauce, honey, salt, garlic. I like to start with my pasta because then I can multitask and get more done. Okay, so here I have my boiling water and you want to boil it. I recommend opening the windows in your kitchen because you don't want the whole house to smell like food. Pasta is done. Now time to make the chicken. Let's put some in a bowl. And now for a taste test. It's a bit hot. This marination is so good! I had fun making this. I'll see you at dessert. Hello everybody! So I gave you guys two options for dessert, Jello or s'mores. 74% of you said s'mores. So, let's make s'mores. Now, this isn't traditional bonfire s'mores. We're gonna be making them in the microwave. Just hear me out, don't click out of this video, just hear me out. Now before you say anything about the Nutella, me and Dina are both allergic to Hershey's. And the only other thing we have is Twix. So this will make it work. How much? 10 seconds?
Yeah, you can put it for like 15, I guess, since the crackers are thicker.
15. Okay, wait, we have to adjust. Okay, now let's do a taste test. If you're watching this right now and you want s'mores and you have graham crackers and marshmallows and some sort of chocolate, get up and make them in the microwave. Okay. Well guys, that's it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload. To say that I had fun filming this video is an understatement because I really enjoyed it. So if you want more videos like this, comment down below, give me suggestions. I guess you could say this is like my second video for cooking in style. So let me know if you want more. And if you want to follow me on all my other social media platforms, they're also in the description, so check them out. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!